Good morning. It's Tuesday, 8th of October, 2024. And the time is, wait till I check. The time is 9:08 in the AM. Yeah, the sky's a bit dull and grey. No surprise there. No cold. Bit damp. But not too bad at all. Let's get wondering. Okay, here we go again. I wonder what's happening today on a Tuesday. You never know. We'll see when we get there. We'll see what's going on. What the hell's going on? It's a grey, murky sky, but who cares about that? Coconut down, empty feeder. Right. What's going on down here? Let's check it out. I've put some food down. Come on then. I think he's been scared with this upheaval, turmoil. He might appear. He's thinking about it. Yeah, he's still a bit weary. Anyway, I left him some food, so I'll go away and give him some space. See you later, Dweezil. There we go. I think he's been spooked by maybe people digging up all that stuff at the pond. But he's munching away, so that's good. I'll give him some peace. We'll walk this way. Walk this way. So I've not been down here as much as I'd like to be, but still try and get down as much as I can. I've been busy. I've published 2 colouring in books on Amazon. I've also created 10 self-help books, which will be published soon on my new website. More news of that later. Aye, busy. Brain busy. So I like to get down here and chill for a wee while. A bit of fresh air, bit of exercise. Save the old eyes for the computer screen. But all good. I hope yous are all keeping busy. It's good to be busy. Not too busy, but if you're too busy and not having fun, that's not a good life. You need to get out. Get back these guys with dogs. Ooh. Bit of a broken branch there. Ah. Uh-huh. Well, the leaf's falling down. Just the fall. Well, I'll call that a wrap for Tuesday. Hunger time. Today I'm going home for some French toast. Oh yes. French toast. Nice pinch of salt. A bit of brown sauce. Can taste it now. French toast. I remember when I stayed in Harrogate, my mate Paul, he was from London. He called it eggy bread. You like eggy bread? What the fuck is eggy bread? Well, that's what they called French toast. Eggy bread. Get deep with your eggy bread. Londoners, man. Anyway, you take care and stay safe. Always cherish your loved ones. And that'll be me saying, la 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 la. Out. Good morning. It's Thursday, 10th of October, 2024. Look at this beautiful sky. But don't let that fool you. It's bloody freezing. Frosty this morning. But nice and fresh. Yep. At least the sheep are warm. I've got a big coat of fleece. Funny enough, that's exactly what I've got on. Merino wool. Lovely and toasty. Let's see what's happening today. Oh, I forgot. It's 7:40 in the AM. Oh, it's raw. It's a frost. Hello. Morning. Alright? Cold? See you later. Right. Let's see what's happening today. On this cold, frosty Thursday. A frosty field with coos in it. Empty feeder. Oh, topped up a wee bit. Running low on the old bird food again. I think it's more bird food at the weekend. Oh yes. Good fresh weather. Right, oh, straight down to the pond today. See what's going on with Dweezil and his friends. Well, it's looking extremely quiet at the pond. At least not been too cold to freeze the pond over, but I don't think that's far away, that kind of weather. Dweezil. I think they'll be staying in the warmth of their nests in this weather. Snuggled up. Yeah. Don't think he's venturing out this morning. I'll put some food in. I'll get to it eventually. Well, his breakfast out. Right, back up and get a wee seat for 10. Top up the wee coconut shell. And Mr. Magpie was watching me putting that food in. Ah well, fair play. He's got to eat too. Well, look at that. Must have been watching me. I definitely think he's been scared by the guys in there clearing that pond out. That's alright, but he's still getting a munch. That's the main thing. Oh, that's him topped up a wee bit. Need to ration the food. Anyway, got a wee seat here for 10. Lucky I broke my wee seat cover. Don't want a cold ass. That's not good. I think this magpie's following the food. Okay. Right, let's go for a wander. Beautiful morning. Morning. A family of deer. Beautiful. No, I'll leave them to their munching. Right, it's a fine morning. Chilly, but lovely. Lovely and fresh. Well, call that a Thursday wrap. I'm heading home for a roll on sausages, 2 sausages, and fried onions, and a touch of brown sauce. Whoa, that'll do nicely. Vegetarian sausage, of course. Well, you take care, stay safe, and cherish your loved ones. Where's all the coos gone? Whew. Anyway, that'll be me saying la 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 la. Out.